You can find out all about an occupation on the CareerOneStop site at www.CareerOneStop.org. Click the Explore Careers drop-down menu and enter an occupation and state to search for information. On the following page, you see the occupation and state listed with a brief description of the occupation. Scroll down to see a career video and wage data. Click the career video link to watch the video in a new window. Then close the window when you are done. The wage table shows hourly and yearly wages for the United States and Maine. The lowest 10% is typically where starting wages fall, where 90% is the highest people tend to be paid in the field. You can also view this data in chart form by clicking on these tabs. Scroll down to see the state and national trends. This shows how many people were employed in this occupation in 2012, as well as the projected total employment in the year 2022. The next column shows the percent change over this 10-year period, and the last column shows how many jobs are available each year due to growth and replacements. This can give you a good idea about your chances in finding a job in this field. Scroll down to see the knowledge, skills, and abilities. Which of these knowledge, skills, and abilities do you currently have, and what do you still need to work on? To see what people typically do on a daily basis, scroll down to the tasks and activities. Tools and technology required to do this job are listed next. The Education and Training section shows the education, experience, and on-the-job training necessary for this occupation. College degree programs are also specified here. The table shows the selected occupation, as well as similar occupations, with data showing the highest level of educational attainment from a selected group of workers. This gives you a good idea of how much education you will need to get this kind of job. Occupations with similar skill requirements are listed next, as well as additional web resources. Be sure to check out some of the other resources on CareerOneStop.org. To search for another occupation, use the Explore Careers drop-down menu to search with an occupation and location.